Meaning of ELT.
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 ELT. ELT stands for extract, load, and transform. It's a process used in data warehousing where data is extracted from various sources, transformed into a format suitable for analysis, and then loaded into a target database or data warehouse. The goal of ELT is to provide businesses with high-quality, integrated data that can be easily analyzed to gain insights and make informed decisions. By using ELT, organizations can streamline their data processing and management, reduce costs, and improve efficiency. Overall, ELT plays a critical role in modern data-driven businesses that rely on accurate and timely insights to stay competitive.